With no pressure, all coach WSP processor should be off. If any processor is on, check pressure switch wiring and K5 relay. After charging the pressure, WSP processor should be automatically switched on. If any processor is off, check input voltage, check condition of fuse and replace if needed. Check pressure switch and replace if needed. Check PV03 card in KB WSP system and replace if needed. Check N2 card in Fevli WSP system and replace if needed. Input voltage should be within 110 to 120 volt. Fuse continuity should be checked. Check electrical connection of pressure switch. Testing of Fevli WSP. Push display button to read the fault code. Push test button to test dump valve. Air will be released from brake cylinder. Push clear button to clear the history of fault code. There is no use of door test button. Push X button to get the kilometer reading. Testing of Norbrim's WSP. Push S1 button to read the fault code. Push S2 button to test the dump valve. Air will be released from brake cylinder. Push S3 button to clear the history of fault code. Push S1 and S4 button simultaneously to get the kilometer reading. Fault diagnosis. WSP display show fault code. Fault code 7201 in Norbeams and 72 in Fevli shows fault in single axle. Code 7301 in Norbeams, 73 in Fevli shows fault in more than one axle. For further details of fault code, press S1 button in KB and display button in Fevli. Code 0301 in Norbeams shows fault related to MB04 card. Code 0201 in Norbeams WSP system shows fault related to EB01 card. This code tells us exactly which axle is having fault and what is the fault. In the subcode, first digit always shows the axle number and the second digit shows the fault number. If subcode is 31, then first digit 3 shows faults in third axle and second digit 1 shows speed sensor short circuit or open circuit. If subcode is 32 and it should be read as speed sensor error in third axle. If subcode is 14, then it should be read as dump wall open circuit in first axle. For subcode 11, 21, 31 and 41, check the speed sensor junction box for accumulation of dust and moisture at the terminal blocks and clean it. Check the wire connection at speed sensor junction box. Check the speed sensor for failure. Open the junction box and check the terminal blocks. Attend the loose connection. Check the continuity at terminal blocks. Replace speed sensor if needed. For subcode 12223242, check the air gap between speed sensor and phonic wheel. The gap should be maintained between 0.9 mm to 1.4 mm. Check for slackness in phonic wheel mounting screws. Check the phonic wheel mounting screws and tight if slack. Tight to a torque of 21 Newton meter. For subcode 13233343, check dump wall junction box for short circuit. For subcode 14243444, check for damage in dump wall connectors. Check for damage in connecting pins. Open the dump wall connector and check for damage. Thoroughly check connecting pins. For subcode 10203040, replace MB04 card in Norbeam's WSP and MV card in Fevli WSP. Download failure data if fault code 95 appears before testing.